Now we will download Eclipse IDE. Type in Google Eclipse IDE Photon. Download. So you will get the screen. You can go to eclipse.org website and you can find this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Yeah, this one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can download the software as per your OS and bit size. Mine is Windows 11 of 84-bit, 64-bit. So I am downloading this. Click on the 64 link and your download will be started. So it is a 195 MB software. You have to wait until the download is finished. So we have successfully downloaded Eclipse Java Photon version. So we will go into the downloads folder. We cut that downloaded file and we'll paste in our personal folder. I have created Selenium folder in E drive. So I am pasting all the Selenium related things in my personal folder. Okay. So once we have pasted the download, I will extract the download into the same folder. It will take some time to extract. So once that was successfully extracted, you will get this folder. Okay, open that folder. You can see this Eclipse application. Double click on it. The Eclipse IDE Photon will be started. Initially it will ask the default to choose the workspace. Okay, so we have to select the default workspace so that we can work on the project. Okay, so I am selecting E drive for my workspace. In E drive, so I am selecting the folder.
मैं म्यूट कर दूं?
Yeah. So I am selecting this folder as a workspace. So E Selenium. So I am clicking as I am selecting this as my default workspace so that it will not ask again. Once you click on it, it will be taken as a default folder and click on launch. Once you click on launch, the Photon Eclipse IDE will be loaded. Please wait for some time. Okay. This is the welcome screen of Eclipse IDE. I am closing the welcome screen. So this is the workspace of the Eclipse IDE. So, so you can also create the shortcut. I am closing this Eclipse IDE because it was successfully opened. I am closing this. You can create the shortcut on your desktop by right clicking on the Eclipse application that you have opened previously. Send it to desktop. So I am creating the shortcut for the Eclipse IDE. See, we have got the shortcut on our desktop. So you can now open Eclipse IDE directly from your desktop. Once you double click on it, the Eclipse IDE will be open. We can start our work by using Eclipse IDE. So if you want to change the default workspace folder, you have to go into the file, click on switch workspace, click on other. So you can choose the different folder as a default workspace and click on select folder and click on OK and click on launch. So it will again restart the Eclipse IDE and it will be the default workspace folder will be changed again.